Hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I am Kimmy. I am a notary, and I've been one for years now. I have a training company, Notary Educators, LLC.com, and this video is for all of those who may be considering becoming a notary. And I know that you're hearing so many things out there, but the market's saturated. The notary boom is over. There's no space for me. It's too late for me. But let me tell you something. It is not too late for you. There are 4 billion documents that are notarized every year, according to the National Notary Association, okay? I'm a member. I am actually an ambassador for the NNA too. I don't work for them, but I just represent in my neighborhood if people want to know more about being a notary. So that's why you're here probably, right? But I want to encourage you. It's not too late for you. Do you think that people that go to medical school are saying, man, it's just too many doctors, they don't need me? No. Nurses. It's just too many nurses. I don't think I'm going to nursing school. All industries, people are constantly dying, right? Unfortunately, people are dying out of certain industries. All industries, really. You got, right now, there's a need for plumbers. There's a need for electricians because the people that did that job for 30, 40 years, frankly, are no longer here. So they're trying to get new people. Same thing with notaries. The notary boom happened during COVID. Okay, so yeah, there was a bunch of people that started, but there are also a lot of people that left the industry, right? So there is still space for you. Documents are being notarized all day long. Now, am I telling you to quit your job tomorrow to become a full-time notary? No, I don't even tell people that's been doing it for years to do that. You work into that. Okay, you have to grow your business and develop it in order to do this full time. But is there still space for you? Yes, because I have clients all day long that say, oh, I was looking for somebody, nobody answered their phone. Can't even tell you the number of people that say, you answered your phone. So right now, if you Google notary near me, you'll find 30, 40 people pop up, but half of them are not even actually working. They're just notaries on paper. And once it's in Google, it stays there. Unless the person goes back and delete their file. So just because you see all these notaries doesn't mean that there is not space for you. There is. Okay? So you need to know, I'm going to go over some steps with you in order to be a good notary still right now, 2024, whatever year it is that you're watching this, the standards do not change. Okay? It does not change. And there will always be room for you because, example, 5 or 10 years from now, this whole next generation of notaries will be gone, and documents will still need to be notarized. The art of notarization or being a notary is not anything new. It goes back to Bible times, 5,000 years ago. Okay, there were notaries in Rome, so that's a whole nother homework assignment. But the profession of being a notary is not anything new, and it's going to be here. People will. And actually, it's going to continue to grow and evolve as it already has. When I first started, remote online notary wasn't a big deal. But now, remote online notary, so sitting right at home, being able to notarize documents is a big deal. But let's talk about the steps to becoming a notary right quick. Okay, because this is really important. Step number 1, you must go through your state and see what the process is. What are the requirements? Normally, you have to find somebody that knows you. There are just a few states that require training. I have a whole book for each state, how to start your notary business. Whatever state you're in, Alabama, California, Texas, I take you step by step how to build that business in your state. So please visit NotaryEducatorsLLC.com and you can get the book for your state. And again, it'll take you step by step what you have to do, but you have to be a commissioned notary. And that means just going to your state, okay? If you're in Alabama, California, New Orleans, Louisiana, wherever you are, you have to start there, okay? Then the next step would be to get some basic supplies. You need to have a journal. You need to have your ink stamp, your notary stamp, right? You need to have some ink pens, some clipboards, some basic supplies to get started. And before we do all of that, we're going to double back just one more step. After you receive your commission, you need some training. If your state provided some training and you still don't know what to do, then you need to check us out. Notary Educators LLC. It would be our pleasure to assist you, okay? But you do need to have some training. Do not be fooled into thinking, oh, my state said I'm a notary, so I'm good to go. No, that is not how this works, okay? And that's how most people think it works. But once you start getting phone calls and you realize, whoa, I could actually mess up $1 million home because you don't know what you're doing, Again, double back and call us. Okay. So then after you get some training, then I would really say go get your supplies. Okay. Now you can start going out and stamping papers because you know what to do. Then you can double back and become a loan signing agent where you handle mortgage documents and you learn how to do that correctly. We also can teach you to do that, loan signing agent. You can also go through the NNA. That will be a requirement also for you to have a background check through the NNA to be a notary loan signing agent. And also there is like a 45-question test that you have to take. But our course will prepare you for the test, okay? And then after that, you can double back and learn how to do an apostille. Okay. And this is additional streams of income. So once you get that notary commission, there are so many things that you can do. Becoming a notary has literally changed my life. Becoming a notary has changed my life. Literally, it's changed my life. I went from doing maybe one document because when I first started my business, my brother said, "What you want to do with the business?" I said, I don't know. I said, I'll just do one document a day or something because I was just trying to replace a little income. Little did I know I was going to end up not only becoming a notary, loving being a notary, teaching other people to be a notary, starting a notary education school. And it's just been amazing. And I do ink fingerprinting, proctoring. I have another video where I list about 12 things you can do as a notary. I need to redo that video because it's really like 20. But that one notary commission opens the door for you to do so many different things. I do ink fingerprinting. Some people do electronic fingerprinting also. There are so many different things you can do with that notary commission. So you can supplement your income. Eventually you can work into doing it full time. You can become a wedding officiant. There are just so many different things you can do as a notary. And it's really, 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 really still a best kept secret. A lot of people know about it, but still a lot of people don't. You would be surprised at the number of times I go somewhere and people say, "Oh, what do you do?" or they'll say, "Is that all you do?" Well, it's not all I do, but it's a part of what I do. So I have many services that I offer under the heading of being a notary. So to answer the original question, is it too late for you? No. Like Luther, it's never too late. Okay? It's never too late. You can start and you want to be a successful notary. So that journey starts with visiting notaryeducatorsllc.com. Start with your state also. And we would be more than happy to assist you on your journey. So it's not too late. So we'll see you over here in 2024 being a notary and being a great one. Well, until next time, everyone, I am Kimmy, Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye.